Hi guys, how you guys doing? So today we're in Antalya, Old Town, and all of these boats, they're heading to Duden Waterfall, very famous. And we're here, we're going to experience how it goes, and we'll keep you guys with us today. So there's a pod over there. We bought a ticket from that guy. It was priced for 750 for 2 hours, but what we got it for was for 600. We made a discount because it's leaving in a bit.
Yeah.
And then,
you have to negotiate every time.
Exactly. Every time you come to Antalya, guys, always remember, bro, you gotta negotiate. Otherwise, they're not gonna work.
Yeah,
they're not gonna work out. And they're gonna scam you, rip you off.
Let's go into the boat now, innit, mate?
Yeah, these are the boats. Ticket poles, you get it from here. People are walking all around, but there's a boat leaving right now.
And every boat is for a different thing in the island.
Yeah. Every boat is going to different island. The one we got is going to 6 or 8 different places.
Yeah, 8 different.
These are the boats there. You show them. And yeah.
Very nice, clear water.
And then
that's his first video.
Start off from here.
And this guy said,
every day.
I don't know.
Me and my brother are gonna do a challenge. His name is Abbas. You can call me Mo. So, as you guys see here, this is the boat we're going in. There's a couple of people, a few people looking at us while we're recording. But you just gotta do what you gotta do. And hopefully you guys enjoy the videos, enjoy the vlog. And yeah, we'll catch you guys once we catch a view.
Yeah,
so guys, as you see there, we're in the water.
And that's a police one, mate.
That's a police, what is this, like a ship? Yeah. And it's got some people on it. What do you think? Is this tourists or what? Like,
I think they're probably tourists. They're probably
yeah, they do look like tourists. And yeah, the guy holding the flag, I think he's a police officer. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see.
And the thing with them is, like, they have Turkey flags in all of their ships.
Yeah.
So they're very proud of their country, I can tell you that.
Very proud. But then these guys are a lot arrogant as well. If you guys come to Turkey, you guys must... I'm not like trying to downgrade the country. It's a very beautiful country. They've got beautiful nature, as you can see all around. But clear what water, it is, clear water. Oh bro, check that out. Right now when we're gonna go, we're gonna hopefully see some fishes and we'll try to show you. But they've got a bit of attitude and a bit of arrogancy. Some of them, not all of them.
I'd say about 70% of them.
Yeah, this is my guy. He's gonna do a challenge with me. I'll explain that later, but we'll see. We have to obviously overtake these, man. We'll explain to you properly what it is. Alright guys, so we jumped on the boat about 5 o'clock. What's the time now, man?
No, it's 5:26, yeah.
It's about like 5:26 now. The guy did say to us that he's leaving at 5 o'clock and he lied to us so we can get a ticket, obviously, because it was a last minute thing. But it's about to be 5:30. Hopefully he leaves in 4 minutes, and when it does, I'll keep you updated again. But just wanted to let you know that these guys are not accurate like with their times as well.
Yeah, that's what happens.
So I think what happened is I think about maybe 6:20 or something, and it's about been 40 minutes we've been on our journey. Has some brother there recording. He took a picture there, and yeah, we're just on our way. Nothing really came up so amazing to show you guys, but the sunset has happened. Look how nice the sky looks. Purple, orange, blue at the same time. But, yeah, just on our way. The whole looking at me. Let me show you guys more. Main location, we're driving past it now, going. The waterfall right behind us, very beautiful man, subhanallah. Both Zabardast, beautiful. It's worth the money if you guys ever come to Antalya. This is the place. Jump on the boat, negotiate, come. It pays your money's worth.
Now maybe we can be and win back.
And that's where it is. You can see the stars in the view thing as well.
Everyone's making videos, everyone's taking pictures. It's mad out there.
Beautiful. So guys, अभी हम बस पहुंचने वाले हैं. तो गाइस अभी बस हम अपने किनारे पे पहुंचने वाले जहाँ पे आना था, और एक बुरी खबर मिली है जो कि है कि हम यहाँ पे रुक के स्विमिंग नहीं कर सके, लेकिन कम से कम अच्छी बात ये है कि हमें नज़ारे देखने को मिलेंगे. प्राइवेट बहुत है, तो बस अभी ये आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा यहाँ पे सही ब्लू पानी. यहाँ से डिफरेंस नज़र आ रहा होगी. सी द डिफरेंस फ्रॉम हियर. Alright guys, so that was the boat. We're gonna get to the end and then review it properly. Get off this boat because there's a lot of people on it. But so far, we'll say it's 10 out. What would you say? 10 out of what? That's what
I'll say 8.
8. Yeah, there could have been a bit more sceneries on the way, but there was just this main one. They said there's a lot, but it wasn't. They lied.
That's it, I agree with that.
But yeah, I would give it like an 8.5 as well. And yeah, it's worth coming to. It's a nice vibe on holiday.
100%.
But yeah, catch you guys when we're getting off, and we'll just wrap it up there in a minute. Guys, we're just gonna go in and show you the view from inside.
Yeah guys, I'm gonna show you the boat around and see how it is. This is a bar area here. They've got proper music playing on in the background, and they've given like night vibes. And there's like a little bar as well. You can buy snacks, drinks, whatever you like. Then there's a small terrace as well on top of the lift. Let's go show them the terrace now. 5:40, 7:30. About it's been 1 hour, 1 hour 50 minutes. So we're just approaching. All the boats are standing again. I think he's gonna reverse back into his position. And yeah, it was an amazing experience. It was amazing. Very nice. Look, you can see how blue the water is. Right, the light. What's the view going on? Alright guys, that's Arabic style. Alright, see you in the next one.
Guys, we're at the spot. It's like the casa they call it. And then you come here, get your game card, what you just got.
You just got the card.
Yeah.
Top tier, 1,000 liras, and
About 20-25 pounds.
yeah, and everything is over here it's about 60 liras or 70 liras, which is about 1 quid, 1.5,
Yeah.
about 2 quid. Very, very sick place to enjoy.
Yeah, it's just like a night thing, innit? You
Night
come here
thing.
for the night.
Little
It's
vibes
not
and
too
that.
busy. Look how nice the wheel looks. Get the money top, play some games. We had those shots there, but we didn't. It didn't work. We didn't succeed. But we're going back.
Yeah.
Okay, like you have to at least hit one balloon, man. You can't just play and fail it.
Exactly.
And the guy didn't want to be in my vlog still,
Can't lie.
Well, let's see. That's my man making his Urdu vlog there, yeah.
तो दोस्तों ये अभी कार्ड ले लिए, इसको टॉप अप कर दिए।
Alright guys, जैसे आप देख सकते हो, अगर कार्ड के लिए पैसे चाहिए यहाँ पे टैप करते हैं, इनको देते हैं वो कार्ड, जितने भी पैसे चाहिए वो बोलते हैं और आप अपनी मशीन में यहाँ पे टैप करके पैसे आपके कार्ड पे एक्टिवेट। तो आप कहीं भी पार्क में यूज़ कर सकते हो। आई थिंक अबाउट अभी हमने फिर से 1000 किया, अबाउट 20 से 25 पाउंड होता है। और अब जाके फिर से वो गेम हमने खेलनी है जिसमें अभी हम जीते हैं।
I'm not playing that. I've had my chance.
He gave up, इसका हो गया, he's done. Alright guys, right now we're in the mountains and all of these boats that take tourists to the Turkish Maldives are parked up here, but we're a bit late as the time is about 5 o'clock. But we're trying to speak about a private yacht. Take it there because it's just about like a 15-20 minute journey to the Turkish Maldives. Let's see what deal he's trying to make. Let's hear it.
$30 one person. One person $30. No, 35. 35. 35 कितने हुआ?
$35? About 30 pounds.
Okay, you go now, yeah?
हाँ?
$30 पे.
खाली हम लोग?
हाँ.
Private? So guys, as you can hear, asking
बड़ी बोट है.
वो छोटी वाली है ना next से?
No, you go here one.
ये जाएगी? Oh, okay, never mind. Instead of that one, they go take this one.
No. Waterfall.